Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guess where I am, guys? My background is different, right? So I'm in Nakuru. You know how much I love Nakuru, right? So anyways, guys, my brother's clothes. So casual that I can't even explain. I just wanted to do this video because I thought it was important and people were asking for it, so why not? So anyways, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in my travel makeup bag. I don't really carry much. I don't even know why I'm doing this video. I don't really carry much, guys. I don't carry that much makeup around. I have most of my makeup at home. I just carry like essentials, and as you can see in my face, I've not put a lot. That's how much I carry, like literally. I haven't even done my brows. Whoa. So I want to show you guys that, and I want to, yeah, that's it, I guess. It's gonna be a short video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is the bag I usually carry around because it can carry like quite a lot. I mean, not so much, but quite a lot. As you can see, it's like full, like literally full. And it's a bag from YSL Perfumes, and it's really big. I mean, look, like that much. So anyways, so when you first open it, let me get that open for you guys. You will first see this. Okay, wow, really mashed up. So this is the headband I got recently. This is the headband I got recently, guys. As you guys know how much I love it now. And then I carry just a few brushes. I mean, I don't really carry much brushes around. So yeah, these are the brushes that I've carried. This one is from Sigma. It's the F21 buffer brush. As you guys know how much I love this brush. And these two are natural goat hair brushes, which take a lot of pigmentation, and they're amazing to use. This is my favorite highlighter brush. It's so bad. I mean, it's so worn out, and it's so like from, I don't know, just some brand that I got, and I'm really in love with it. I can't believe it. So anyways, that's my highlighter brush, and this is my concealer brush. So anyways, let's start from this side. So it has two sides like this. So sorry guys, my mom just came in. So anyways, this you get two sides, one this and that, and you guys can see it takes a lot of product. So let's start with this side. You open it. Okay, these are the lashes that I've carried. I've carried two lashes, which I don't know if I'm really gonna use, but anyways, I just carried them for fun. This is the Artmatic USA lashes, and these are from House of Lashes, the Tinkerbell lashes. And the next thing is this. You guys know this is my favorite. Oh god, it's so dirty. Anyways, this is my favorite concealer setting powder. It's by Yardley, and this Smooth Skin NYC powder, this is his number, it's natural beige. And this new powder I got recently, it's so nice, it's amazing, I'm not even kidding. It's by the brand Musarat Misbah from Pakistan. If you guys see this powder, okay, let me open it later. It's amazing, trust me. So the lip balms I got are my favorite. This is from Nivea, and this is the one I had talked about in my previous videos. I'm sure you guys remember this one. So anyways, what else did I get? I got this lipstick. I think this is the nude one. Yeah, it's my favorite one. This one is by Makeup Forever, and it's in the shade matte 5. Yeah, that's all that's written. And this one is by Fenty Beauty. This is also a nude shade. And I got this one also by Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, I think I got the same colors. I mean, Did I get any dark lipstick? Seriously? Yeah, I got this red lipstick, which is, I don't know from which brand. So anyways, that, and one tweezer for my lashes, my eyelash glue by Sweet Touch, and this eyeliner by Chanel, and my favorite blush ever in the world by YSL. This blush is so old. If my mom sees this, she's gonna take it, like seriously. This blush is so nice. As you guys can see how old it is. It has like literally seen days. The gold is even fading out, like it's so good. I love this blush. And this one by MAC. This is like an orange blush. You guys can't see the color properly, but it's pretty. It's like orangish. God, I can't even open the products while holding the camera, guys. It's a really pretty blush. I'm talking so much, I can't even. And my favorite eyeliner, of course. So anyways, let me check if it has a label, this bag, so I can tell you which exact bag it is. Just a second. No, it's okay, so it's just written made exclusively for YSL perfumes. So yeah, clearly it's not a makeup bag. So anyways, that section is done. I got it with one of like a few perfumes that I had bought a few years ago, so yeah, I don't really remember. So I carried this bronzer by Givenchy. This is my favorite bronzer. I didn't carry any contour because I was like, it's just something simple, yeah. So look, that's the shade. It's in number 19 matte bronze. So that's that. And the next thing, God, my Chanel bag is, God, guys, this is what happens when you travel, okay? Don't blame me. I carried a Chanel small palette because I don't know if I'm going to be putting eyeshadow anyway. Let's see. There's a wedding here, so I'll probably put a bit of eyeshadow. Let's see. Those are the shades in it. So the next thing, I carried one highlighter. It's this one by MAC. It's been long since I've used it, so I hope it doesn't disappoint me. But there was a time that I really loved it, so yeah. This highlighter. Carried this mascara by Catrice. By the way, this mascara is so good. I'm not even kidding. It's amazing. It's the all-round mascara and it's waterproof. So yeah, guys, this is amazing. So if you get to get this, then buy it. Foundations, finally. So the foundations, I carried only two foundations, which are my favorite foundations by Musarat Misbah. And this is like the best Indian brand ever created, trust me. So those two foundations, and this is the moisturizer that I use, and another mascara by Essence. This one is just the volume curl mascara, which is really good but not better than that one. So yeah, it's also good, not bad. So the next thing I got is this one is so travel friendly. I'm not even kidding. This is the makeup fixing spray by Essence. It's so small, as you guys can see, like just the size, and it's perfect for traveling and, you know, keeping in your handbag and all that. It's amazing, trust me. And also the product inside is really good for the price. I mean, you know, Essence products are so cheap. So anyways, the next thing is this primer by Maybelline. I've been loving this one lately more than the other one that I was using. So yeah, this is my new favorite, guys. So the last two things are pretty disgusting. I mean, I just use them right now. So yeah, my beauty blender and my powder puff. And the last three things I carried are my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. You guys know how much I love this. I mean, since when I started my YouTube channel, I've been loving this so much, and you know, it's full coverage, so it's like the best concealer ever. So my eyebrow pencil, I was using the Smashbox one, but it got over, so I don't have a very good eyebrow pencil, but I've been loving this one. It's so affordable and it works well, so I'm good with this. It's like, it's just a normal brand, it's like nothing special. And this kajal by Olivia, I think that's, we're done. And does this have a label that I can tell you which bag is this? Okay, so anyways, that's that, guys. As you guys can see how much product was inside this tiny bag. Okay, still I feel like I haven't carried anything, like I haven't carried much. I would carry a lot, but I feel like I don't need that much makeup when I'm traveling. I like to stay simple and all that. So anyways, guys, that's that, and that's it for the video for today. Okay, remove this, is so disgusting. I need to wash that. I am gonna wash that. I swear I'm gonna wash that. So anyways, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it helpful, like in what you guys should carry, like your travel essentials and all that. So anyways, guys, see you. So now I have to put everything back inside. That is so tiring, and I'm so lazy. So let's go in. And by the way, I don't put things like in a category or something like that. I don't say like, oh, my blushes are going to stay on that side and my powders are going to stay on this side. No, nothing like that. I just do this. This is what I do. And let me go wash my beauty blender, because it's really dirty and I'll probably need a clean one for the wedding. I don't want to be going with with an unhygienic face. So those are the stuff. I just hope I haven't forgotten anything, like on for the wedding, because I don't like it when I don't have something. And you know, especially if I have it like with, I have it but I don't have it with me. You guys understand what I'm saying? That's really painful, guys. So yeah, guys, that's that. Let me go wash these two, and these will stay there. See ya. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I didn't carry much, I just carried enough for me for the wedding that I'm going to be attending. I haven't carried any eyeshadow palette, as you guys saw, just the one of Chanel, which I don't know if I'm going to use, honestly speaking. I'll probably just put lashes and eyeliner and I'm done to go. That's what I like doing. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got to learn something on what you should carry. I mean, just a small bag could carry so much, as you guys saw. You don't need a humongous bag, and you know, to have everything. So anyways, that YSL bag is really helpful. I carry it everywhere, and I've had it for like, I think 2 years. So it has really helped me, and the quality is really good. As you guys know, YSL is an amazing brand. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed again, and hope you liked the video, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell also down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya. Hello, Husky. Hi. How are you? Hello. Hi, baby. Hi, cutie. Where is he? Come up. Hi. Do you like YSL? Do you like YSL?